Good morning. This is a little 10-foot turbine. Otis built this. Otis, this video is kind of for you because you haven't got to see it run with wind on it yet. I just got a power curve in the controller, and today's really the first windy day I've seen. I haven't quite got the tower perfectly vertical yet, but it's close. But this is a 10-foot turbine, pretty close to straight out of the book. It's got larger neodymium magnets. It's a pretty efficient alternator. A little bit of rattle, but it's running quietly. I don't have a good judge of wind speed today, but the best I've got is this little anemometer, handheld anemometer. I can look at that. So I don't know, we might be getting 15-20 mile per hour gusts this morning. You can just kind of hear the alternator hum. The power curve I've got in there might be letting it run a little bit too fast, but not too bad. I don't hear the blades whooshing. Usually if the alternator's not well matched to the load, if it's not asking for enough power, the blades will be noisy. It also doesn't seem to be stalling too badly, so the power curve I got is probably pretty good. I'll go inside and show you the controller just so you can see what kind of power we're making in this wind. What do we got there? Yeah, wind is... We hit a gust of 17 miles per hour there, at least at about 7 feet. The tower here is 40 feet. Go in and look at the controller. Okay, here we are at the controller. Can watch that for a minute. It's running pretty good, I think, considering the wind speed and the size of the turbine. Earlier this morning I was seeing a lot of upwards of 1,000 watts, and that was about half an hour ago. Power curve I set up here, the alternator's cutting in right at 50 volts. Maybe I've got it around 47 volts, and it ramps up to take about, as I recall, asking for 2 kilowatt at about 80 volts or something like that. Ramps up more towards the end in hopes to stall the blade, because I don't have a clipper on this controller to protect the controller, but I have a feeling with a machine this size I might not need one, as long as I'm mindful to shut down before the battery is full. But yeah, they're 700-800 watts. It's working pretty well, though. Just I'm sure I can optimize the power curve more, match the load to the alternator and to the blades better than I have, but it's off to a good start. Be fun to see it in a little bit higher wind when it's furling, and I'll show you that